Hey everybody, I'm Kyle Clark with PNS Detailing Products, and today I want to show you how to clean a rim and a tire using Brake Buster and Iron Buster combination. So we're going to begin the cleaning process by using Iron Buster. We're going to use this to dissolve the iron from the brake dust that is all over these rims and lug nuts. You can also use it on the brake calipers and the barrels of the wheel. We're going to follow Iron Buster and top it with Brake Buster. Brake Buster is meant to get dirt and grime and tire dressing off these tires. So we're going to use it on the tires, the wheels, and we're going to use it here on the wheel well lips. We're going to use some great tools. Let me show you those. The tools I like to use are these brushes from Detail Factory. This is a soft bristle brush and allows us to safely and softly clean all the tight nooks and crannies here on the wheel, around the lug nuts, around the emblems. You can reach in and get the face of the caliper and anywhere else that you don't think a normal brush or body brush will get. We're going to follow that by using the Detail Factory barrel brush. Now I chose this microfiber attachment, this sleeve that goes over, really neat. There's also a little bit more aggressive one that they have. Ring it out here for you. So you can choose either one of these. We're going to use that to get way up in there, get this surface and the edges of the brake caliper and the barrel. Then we'll use a body brush on the face of the wheels and our tire brush to scrub all that tire dressing, dirt and grime that's built up and turn these tires orange. Brake Buster is an acid-free wheel cleaner, so it's going to be safe on these wheels, and it's also going to help clean off the Iron Buster. So I'm going to let Brake Buster and Iron Buster do their magic, and I'm going to start getting ready with my little tools. For the best results, you always want to make sure that any of these surfaces that you're applying any chemical to, especially on wheels, are nice and cool. You're going to get great results because it's going to allow the product to dwell, to emulsify, and to remove all this junk from the rims and the tires. So something I like to do, and I don't like wasting time, I like to be as efficient as possible. I like to clean the wheel well and the wheel well lip while I'm here doing the rim and tire. One thing I hate is to go ahead and do that and then go around. You're going around the vehicle twice, doing the wheels. It's like you're doing 8 processes. So do it all while you're right here and you're nearby. I'm going to go ahead and do my final inspection on these wheels. Make sure I got in these tight spots here near the edge of the spoke. I've already cleaned the barrel. I've already cleaned the lug nuts. I've already cleaned the faces. Just doing that final touch before we go ahead and rinse. Because everything comes down, I'm going to start with the upper part of the wheel well first and work my way down the tire and the wheel. And one thing I see a lot of people that wash their cars and detailers doing is they like to wash down like that. You want to make sure you get all that Iron Buster clean off the inside of the barrel. So you're going to go ahead and make sure you rinse in. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully this helped you find a more efficient way to use Brake Buster and Iron Buster to get great results on your wheels and tires. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and stay tuned for more videos from the Rag Company.